Hello, everyone. It's Andre from SWL. I have something very special to show you today. It's the Hammerlund HQ129X radio. This is a real vintage radio. It's massive, as you can see. It really fills my desk. It was made between 1946 and 1952. It is a tube radio. And if you compare it here to the Chodosen and the Kenwood R1000, you can see how big it is. This radio was restored by a physics professor from one of the top universities here in South Africa. I found it on Facebook Marketplace last night. I drove out there today. The guy who was selling it, he was selling it on behalf of the professor. Had a look, tested it, it works perfectly. It was really restored immaculately. If you look inside, I will show you now, you will see it looks almost like new. Everything just looks really, really good. It has valves, obviously, or tubes, because it's a valve radio. And there's no speaker in this one. It was made without a speaker. You had to fit your own. So the guy who sold it to me, he put a speaker as well, as you can see there. So mine has a built-in speaker now. I'm still getting the hang of this radio. I just got it today, and it is a little bit different from what I know. But it's fairly simple to operate. I've tested it. I put my long wire and it seems to work really, really well. But yeah, I just want to show you when you switch it on, it needs to warm up a little bit and then all the valves light up. It's actually quite nice to see. It's a little bit psychedelic. But as you can see on the inside, immaculate. I mean, the way this has been restored is just incredible. And I paid a really, really good price for it, I think. I need to make some space in my study for this one because it's very big. At the moment, it's standing on the desk, but I can see that I will have lots and lots of fun with this one. So let's see if I switch on the power and we come back, and there you go. You can see how the valves are lighting up. I think this is really cool. So this is how it's warming up, and then it's ready to start scanning the bands. It covers 540 kilohertz up to 31 megahertz. I'm going to show you now just a couple of signals that I picked up in the 25 meter band. Pretty much everything that is there at this time, the radio picks up. So if you look at the front of the radio, you can see there's a whole bunch of dials. It's actually quite simple to operate. I don't quite know what everything does that you can see here. The basic operation, selecting your frequency bands and then tuning, that is pretty easy. So I will make more videos. For now, yeah, you can listen to a couple of signals in the 25 meter band.
Anak, babae, ay lahat. Ikaw yung mga magulang din na gano'n, hindi rin maganda yung pagkakaanak, anak. Ano yung pwedeng gawin ang pagkakita? Kasi siguro mo yan diyan. Ang member ng family, yung pero mo na yun, sasabi ko rin na, ay, hindi kung ang pagkakita.
الآن ربما كنت تعرفه ذات مرة لكنك ابتعدت عنه وتريد العودة اليوم. سيقبلك، سوف يستقبلك، سوف تغفر خطاياك، سوف يمنحك إحساسا جديدا بالقوة في حياتك لخدمته. هل تود أن تهب كل حياتك له اليوم؟ أشجعك على الاتصال بنا عبر لا، لكن نستسمحكم مع السادة في الذهاب إلى فاصل، وبعد الوقت فاصل وبعد هنا يوقفات الإسلام. من جديد أهلا بكم مشاهدينا الكرام، والخاصة الذين فيه مع فخامة الرئيس الدكتور الشهيد محمد العليمي رئيس مجلس القيادة الرئاسي. أهلا بكم مجددا فخامة الرئيس. الحديث عن عملية السلام وعن خارطة الطريق. ما الذي يجري حاليا في مسقط؟ يجري الحديث عن تنازلات كبيرة.